Hey everybody, Brock Frady here, helping you enjoy your ride. Did you know that your Hyundai key fob has some really interesting features in it, including one where you can approach the trunk and without even touching anything, as long as you have this on your person, it'll pop the trunk for you automatically. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the lock settings and activate that secret cool little trunk feature so that you will become an expert on how to control all of your locks for your Hyundai. In order to get there, we're going to start from our home screen. We're going to swipe right, go to Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, scroll down, and we're going to go to Door, and that's where our menu pops up for all of the locking systems. So you can set it to automatically lock or automatically unlock under a certain condition. Automatically lock is whenever you enable it for speed. This selects the condition when all the doors will lock automatically by speed. You can also enable it on speed or by shift. It will select the condition when all the doors will lock automatically by speed or by shifting it into park. I have speed enabled right now. We're going to hit this back arrow and then we're going to press automatically unlock. At vehicle off is the current setting, so it's automatically going to unlock when the vehicle is turned off. I actually don't really recommend that. The thing that I'm going to do, and if this car were mine, that's what I would do. I would turn that completely off. The reason is because whenever you turn your vehicle off, you don't always get out right away. And you don't want to sit in a vehicle that has been unlocked if it's shifted to park or if it's turned off. So with this feature turned off completely, if you put your vehicle in park, then the doors will remain locked. So that's me. But you can enable it to unlock the doors when you shift it to park, if you wish, by pressing that back arrow and then to press unlock. So on the key fob right here, whenever you press unlock twice, that is going to unlock all the doors, or you can deactivate that. Smart trunk. This is what I was saying in the intro. This is active right now. And so whenever you approach the vehicle with the smart key on your person, it will open the trunk lid automatically when you approach it with it on you. That is such a cool feature. I really, really like that. And this is actually the first vehicle I've ever seen with that feature. The last feature is remote window control. This will enable or disable the remote window control function. So you can actually press and hold unlock, and that will roll the windows down. Well, if you don't want that to happen, you make this selection. If you do want that to happen, you make that selection. Okay, everybody, that's the door lock settings and the cool little trunk feature for the Hyundai. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.